Hi, my name is Benny Marr. I'm a professional kayaker and I ride for Astral Designs. I'm going to give you a little tour on what is inside my life jacket. Typically I'm only using one life jacket, and it is the Astral Green Vest. This is the latest limited edition from Aniel Solstice and Eliza Carver. I usually like to have the Tether, a pigtail, an elastic pigtail that I clip to this front loop. I don't have any right now. I don't know what I did with them. So I've got this webbing tether to a carabiner that I keep on the right side. This, I usually keep a length of webbing. Have that either to make repairs that I need to make or to help someone else make a repair that they might need to make. It's really good for breaking backband webbing, and you can use it for a lot of other stuff. It's nice to have. It just sits there. I'd never think about it. This is a Nyami. My friend Mukuma from Zambia makes these, and it's a representation of the Zambezi river god, the Nyami, and they sell them to tourists for $5 a pop for safe passage over water. So I always grab a few from Mukuma when I'm there, and I like to keep them in my life jacket. I like showing up at the Zambezi and showing Mukuma that I still have the carvings that I've gotten from him, and I also like to continue to buy them to support him. I'm not superstitious at all. I like having it because it reminds me of Mukuma and the Zambezi River, which is one of my favorite. Hair ties, keep wine corks, and very quickly with a knife you can shave off one end of the cork if you need, smash it in. Quick little drain plug fix. It is, I think, an old dagger wing nut, so I just threw it in here because it doesn't take up space. It can help somebody one day if they lose a wing nut. This is a Waka wing nut, same deal, just a little extra part, doesn't take up much. A snack, this Picky Bar snack, favorite, mint condition. This I had in Africa. I use this helmet almost exclusively. It gives me a lot of sun protection for my face. Africa is hot as shit, so I keep one of these with me, and here on the Ottawa it's good too. But what I really try to not forget and to always have are earplugs. I keep them in this little tin, and it bothers me when I don't have them. I have been wearing them almost every day on the water for many years now. This is an NRS knife. I don't know what happened to my last one. It was a little smaller. Like, you can fashion these onto the front of your life jacket. I just keep them in the pocket. This one's a bit big. I'm going to be trying to downsize the knife, but the thing with the knife is carry a throw bag, which you should if you're river running. You should carry a knife because if you're using rope, you should have a knife so you can cut it if you need to. Also, I typically use those most for cutting cheese and spreading peanut butter. These I do not keep with me often. These go in on expeditions, which is typically 1 or 2 a year. Like, I wouldn't put these in here to go down the Stikine. It's more when you're going to be just having to do problem solving outside of your boat. But they come in handy. They're handy to have, especially if this was 2 to 3 times the size. But I like this. I got these just last year for an expedition into Filer Creek. So all that fits in pretty handily to this green vest. It would also fit into this, and that's what's in my life jacket. As my #1 fan and former friend Rush Sturgis would say, let's hit the river.